this video, I'm going to talk about the designing and the programming part of product manage category part. So let's go to there. Here's the product manage categories part. If I go to the next page, you can see it very clearly. Now I'm going to show you one example. When I click this add button, you can see this model, add new category, and now I'm going to give a name. Let us email, and I will put this save new category. Now I should check the verification code. Admin verification code. Now I will enter and verify and save. Here now you can see it added. Like this. Now a new category has added. That's the way how to do that. Now let's see the coding part. How to design and the program it. Here's my manage product page. In there, this is the part where I add the manage category section. Firstly, I have used H3 class to display these manage categories, and then using this PHP script, I have taken the value of category table and assigned that value as number of rows using this num rows, and assign that value to $category num. By using this for loop, I will check whether the $x is less than $category num. If so, then I will fetch that line and assign that value to this $category data. By using this part, I will take the name of the category, and this is the icon which I add to take the values. After that, here I have start this add new category function to this on-click event for this add new category, and here's the icon of add which I show you in the page, and this model. By using this model, I will take the values. I have given this ID add category model and also the table index -1. From this part, here's the button which I use to add new category, and for these two, enter new category name and enter your email. This input tags I have given IDN and IDE. And for the verification category, I have start this verify category function to this on-click event to save new category. And this part is displaying the verification model, and from here we will take that enter your verification code, that part, and for that input tag I have given this ID text, and also close and verify and save two buttons. Again I have start another function save category to this on-click event. Now let's see the functions in JavaScript part. Here's the first function, add new category. Before that, I have created this global variable called CM, and using this add category model ID, I will take the value and assign that value to this variable M. And by using bootstrap model, I will display it as a model. For that, I will use this command cm.show. And for the second verify category function, I have created three global variables called VC, E, and N. And also in there, using this add category verification model ID, I will take the value and assign that value to variable NCM. And here also using this new bootstrap.model, I will display that as a model, and I will display the values. Take the values of IDE, N, and assign those values to these two variables. And I will send that value using new form data to this add new category process page. Here's the add new category process page. In there, firstly, I have start a session, and then I have connect the database to our page. And here are three other PHP script which I connected to our page, because without these three PHP script we cannot send email. And using this if condition, I will check whether the email of $post have value or not, and also the name ID name has a value or not. Using this and we will check whether the both are true or not. If one is not true, then this part will not happen. If this part not happen, then I will display something is missing, and then we will go to this if condition by check whether the email of session ID AU is equal to the email of $post ID email. If this part is not true, then I will display invalid user. After that, I will take the values of ID name and email and send those values to these CNAME and UMail variables. And using this query, I will take the value of category table where the name is equal to the CNAME and assign that value as number of rows using numbers, and assign that number amount to $category num. And using this if condition, I will check whether the $category num amount is equal to 0 or not. If it is not, then I will display this category already exists. It means it's already fetched. So if the category num is equal to 0, it means it doesn't fetch before. So then I will create a unique ID and assign that ID to this $code by using this update query. In the admin table, I will update the verification code by using the value of $code variable where the email is equal to $umail. This is the email code part where I used to send the email. In here for the host, I have taken this mtp.gmail.com, and this is the user's email address. This is the port, and this is the password which created through that Google. And set from and the add reply to, we use the same email address, and this is the subject, and this is the body content. Your verification code is equal, then I will take the value of that $code. And by using this if condition, I will check whether the $mail is not equal to, is not sent. If it is not sent, then I will display verification code sending failed. If the $email sent, then I will display this success. Now let's go to the JavaScript part again. In here, if the ready state of anonymous function where I start for the variable r on ready state change is equal to the 4, then I will take the response text of variable r and assign that value to variable t. And by using this if condition, I will check whether the value of t is equal to the success. If so, then I will hide the cm value and I will display verification code. And if this part not happen, then I will alert the t. This is the add new category part, and this part is save category. This is the way how I save. And from here also I will take the value of id txt and assign that value to this new variable txt, and using a new form data I will append the values and assign new id to those data and send that data to save category process page using post method. Now let's see the save category process page. Here also firstly I have connect our page to the database using connection.php, and then using if condition and this is set, I will check whether the IDT has value or not, and means these three must be true. If one of these three is false, then this will not happen. It becomes false and it may save will not happen. And if this come true, then I will take the values of this ID and assign that values to these new variables we called umail and cname. And using this query, I will take the value of admin table where the email is equal to $umail and take that value as number of rows using numRows and assign that value to $adminnum variable. Using this if condition, I will check whether the $adminnum is greater than 0. If not, then I will echo invalid user. Otherwise, I will go to this part and I will fetch that line and assign that value to $admin data. And then I will check whether the verification code value of $admin data is equal to the value of ID $vcode. If so, then I will use this insert query to insert the new value to the category table by using this variable's called cname. And then I will echo success. After that, again I will check whether the variable r on ready state chain of is equal to the new anonymous function which I start in here by checking whether the ready state is equal to 4. When I will take, then I will take the value of response text of variable r and assign that value to the variable t. And by this part, I will check whether the t's value is equal to the success. If so, then I will hide this verification code and I will reload that window. If not, I will alert the t. That's the way how it happens, how to add a new category and save new category. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.